Towing anything, large or small, might seem like an easy task. That is until it's time to crunch the numbers on your vehicle's towing and payload capacities. Can you pull those 2 jet skis behind your mid-sized truck while also carting around a family of 4? It often turns out that you can't have it both ways. But we're here to help you determine just how capable your car can be when it's time to put that tow hitch to use. Here are the biggest things you need to know up front. Large body-on-frame trucks and SUVs are usually the best kinds of vehicles for towing heavier loads. Think Ford F-150 and Chevy Tahoe. Unibody crossovers and trucks are certainly capable of big jobs, but they can't handle things that weigh 8, 9, or 10,000 plus pounds like an Airstream. A Hyundai Santa Cruz and Toyota Highlander can only manage around 5,000 pounds or so. That's certainly enough for most people, but remember that towing capacity can vary widely within a class or even within a single model with several engine and transmission options. The Highlander with the turbo 4-cylinder can probably tow more than the Highlander with the hybrid powertrain, for example. Make sure you go into the purchase of a new vehicle knowing exactly where the trim and package you want stands in that regard. When looking at your vehicle's towing specs, these figures assume the vehicle will be carrying only the driver, not the family, friends, or the associated gear for the trip. It doesn't hurt to get granular when considering your payload, the amount of weight the vehicle can hold inside, but we don't expect you to put your whole family and cargo on a scale. We simply recommend that you stay below 10% of the maximum towing capacity to account for miscalculations and shifting loads. Using the right trailer hitch is also crucial to safe towing. Tow hitches operate with their own physical limits and are divided into 5 classes: Class 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 5. Class 1 hitches are generally used for small and mid-sized cars and crossovers, think 2,000 pound towing capacities, while Class 5 hitches can handle up to 20,000 pounds when used on a proper heavy-duty truck like a Ram 2500 or 3500. Thankfully, many truck and SUV manufacturers today post a sticker on the driver's door jamb that includes much of the necessary towing information such as GVWR and GAWR. GVWR, the gross vehicle weight rating, is the maximum total weight of a vehicle for it to safely operate, including the passengers, fuel, cargo, and tongue weight of anything you pull behind it. GAWR is gross axle weight rating and equates to the maximum amount of weight that one axle of the vehicle drivetrain can support. Finally, keep in mind the accessories or aftermarket parts you add to your vehicle, as these can reduce your vehicle's towing abilities. Think larger wheels or efficiency-enhancing low rolling resistance tires. There are even more terms and rules you should be aware of before you attach that canned ham to your Subaru Outback, and you'll find it all right here at Kelley Blue Book.